Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have something exciting, the POCO C71, a smartphone that promises a blockbuster experience under 7K. But is it really the best budget phone for entertainment? Let's find out. So first thing first, let's talk about the design. The POCO C71 looks way more premium than its price tag. The golden ring camera deco and split grid design gives a stylish and modern touch. Also, phones provide you comfortable grip because it is just 8.26 mm slim. That makes phone easy to hold and lightweight. Also, brand is offering you 3 color options: gold, blue and black, so you can pick your own vibe. But now for a budget phone, this is definitely a head turner. Yes, this phone is a pocket cinema theater, because if you love binge watching, gaming or scrolling endlessly on social media, this display will blow your mind. 6.88-inch HD plus display, the largest in this segment, with 120 Hz of adaptive refresh rate, support super smooth scrolling and gaming. Also, brand has taken care of your eyes and provided a TUF Realnet triple eye protection, so you can binge for hours without eye stress. But the best USP of this display is that this is a weight touch display. Works even when your hands are wet, no more accidental touches, and I am really impressed with it. Now it's time for the performance. The budget beast. Yes, this phone can be called a budget beast because one of the biggest surprise with the POCO C71 is its performance. At this price, you get a 12GB RAM. Yes, 6GB plus 6GB turbo RAM option, which makes your phone for the multitask and pro without lag. Also, seamless streaming and gaming, no frame drops, no delays. Battle of budget entertainment compared with other sub-key 7000 phones. The C71 runs smoother, making it the best option for entertainment lovers. Whether you're switching between YouTube, Instagram and WhatsApp or playing light games, this phone doesn't slow down. Also, its octa-core processor helps you out to complete your day-to-day tasks. Now, coming at this price segment, the battery is the really thing that all matters. So this phone is packed up with a 5000 mAh battery that can help you to stream, game and browse all day without worry. Also, 1000 of charging cycles are being ensured by the brand. So even after 3 years, the battery retains 80% of health. Well, now whenever we are buying a smartphone, it's always the camera thing that we have to look into. Well, this phone is packed with a decent camera. On the back, you have 32 megapixel main sensor. On the front, you get 8 megapixel selfie camera. Coming to the picture quality, you get decent pictures in daylight, but yeah, in the low light, it really struggles. Also, you can record videos in full HD at 60 FPS. No 4K support is given in this phone. So on the pricing part, I would say that this is a decent camera phone, not the best. Now let's finally come up to the final verdict. Should you really buy this phone or not? At this price, is it really worth? Well, there are a lot of pros in the phone. Largest 6.88-inch display in this segment, the biggest one. 120 Hz refresh rate, massive 5000 mAh battery, and the performance. Yes, 6GB plus 6GB turbo RAM option helps you to get up to 12GB of RAM. Now coming to the cons, there is no full HD plus display, so you won't be able to experience 4K content on this phone. No ultra wide camera. That can be a concern for a lot of people nowadays because almost all the phones are providing you a wide camera option. So finally, when you talk about the pricing, at the 7000 rupees, you get the base variant. If you really want to buy this phone, you can check it out from the Flipkart. The links are given in the description. But in my opinion, this phone is a great deal for those who are looking a phone with a great battery life and a good display for the entertainment purpose. So that's it for the video, guys. Hope you guys liked it. Hit the like button, share it with other people, and yes, do not forget to subscribe us for more such amazing content. See you guys in the next one.